The Second Mountain, written by David Brooks. The Second Mountain. Uh, so he says that the mountain, the two mountains are the metaphor. The first mountain is our first phase of life where we are bothered about career, money, success, या impressing other people. No, वो बोलता है कि आधी जिंदगी तो हमारी दूसरों को impress करने में चली जाती है. And then when we come down of the first mountain, there is a deep valley, and that valley symbolizes suffering because we are chasing money, materialistic things, giving not giving top priority to relationships or people or human relations. There is a deep valley of suffering, and then very few people climb the second mountain, which is about meaningful contribution to the society, helping people around you, meaningful, an epic meaning and calling within you, a sense of contribution, a sense of empathy. Yeah. And I think I'm lucky that I'm already on the second mountain. I feel that I'm on the second mountain. Yeah, and money comes as a byproduct. All right. Yeah. So I'm talking about the second mountain, written by David Brooks. Many of my friends, or rather, many booklet readers come to meet me, share their problems, or they ask me for mentorship. I mentor many startups. Especially, I love to mentor social startups. And so there was a guy, a needy reader of booklet. He emailed me, messaged me, called me that I want to meet Dada. I need your help. I want your guidance. So after a lot of planning, I allotted one date to him, and he came to meet me. And I asked him that, so tell me, what is your passion? And he said that, I love animation. मुझे एनिमेशन में कुछ करना है. जो वॉल्ट डिज्नी और इंटरनेशनल लेवल का जो एनिमेशन है वो मुझे इंडिया में लाना है. सो वाओ, awesome, very good. I was so happy to hear this. And then I said that, so can you please show me some of your basic animation? तुमने क्या किया है, जो भी तुमने सीखा होगा, can you please show me some sample work, artwork? And I saw some disappointment on his face. He said that no, the softwares are very expensive. I can't afford the software. I said, okay, let's see. I have some expert animators who are really doing well, and I can find out how can I help you. जो लाइसेंस जो होता है कैन बी शेयर्ड बाय मोर देन वन यूजर. सो ऐसा कोई किसी का लाइसेंस रहेगा एनिमेशन सॉफ्टवेयर का. सो थ्रू माय रिक्वेस्ट I'll ask them to give you one username so that you can start animation. Uh, but then after my comment, he did not seem to be much happier. And I asked, what happened? Is this not enough? तुम्हें कुछ और help चाहिए? And he said, दादा मेरे पास कंप्यूटर नहीं है, लैपटॉप नहीं है घर पे. And I said, oh अच्छा, घर में फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम है. मॉम मॉम छोटे मोटे काम करती है. डैड इज सम सिक्योरिटी गार्ड इन अ सिक्योरिटी कंपनी, एंड वी आर गोइंग थ्रू अ हैंड टू माउथ सिचुएशन. ऊपर से कोरोना हुआ. एंड आई सेड ओके, लेट्स सी. अभी मैं बोल नहीं सकता क्या, बट विल डेफिनेटली फाइंड आउट सम सॉल्यूशन एंड आई ट्राई टू हेल्प यू. मेरे कुछ फिलांथ्रोपिकल फ्रेंड्स हैं who want to become philanthropist, who live in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. I talk to them. कुछ तो करते हैं. एंड सब हो गया, अच्छी बात हो गई. आई शेयर्ड सम बुक्स विथ हिम, एंड देन बिफोर लीविंग ही सेड, दादा एक सेल्फी चाहिए आपके साथ. आई सेड या श्योर. एंड देन वी टुक अ सेल्फी, एंड आई सॉ द क्वालिटी ऑफ द पिक्चर ऑन हिज मोबाइल वाज ब्यूटीफुल. इतना अच्छा फोटो आया, मैं खुद को लगा रहा मैं इतना गोरा हूँ क्या. एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम कि वेरी गुड फोन ना, कितने को लिया फ़ोन, कौन सा फ़ोन है, और कुछ तो उसने नाम बोला. एंड द प्राइस वाज 22,000 रुपीज़. और मैंने बोला अभी तू बैठ, अभी तू नहीं जाएगा, तू बैठ, आधा घंटा मैं तुझे कुछ बोलने वाला हूँ. एंड देन आई सेड दैट लुक, you think you are passionate about animation but you are not. because our passion is clearly visible in our priorities. If you are truly passionate about animation, तुमको सब जगह वही दिखता. Probably your mom dad must have gifted this mobile phone to you on your birthday because you must have requested. You would have told your parents that no, don't buy me such a expensive mobile. एक 5-6 हज़ार का मोबाइल भी चल जाएगा. And balance you could have bought a good laptop of minimum configuration. आज एक आई थिंक एक लैपटॉप 15-20 हज़ार में आराम से आ जाता है. And then I said that you yourself don't want to help. You don't want to help yourself. There is no point in I helping you. Right? Because for you, primarily he bought this expensive mobile phone for better pictures. These college kids, they want better pictures so that they can put it on their Instagram, and then they get those comments from pretty girls, wow, handsome, and those emojis. So for him, these things took priority over his passion for animation. Then that is not passion. Okay, that is just some wish. There's a difference between wish and a burning desire. Wish list तो सबकी होती है, सबकी पूरी नहीं होती. There has to be a burning desire. And I said that sorry, I can't help you because you don't want to help yourself. God helps those who help themselves. Yeah, and that's exactly the message of this book. That बोलने के लिए पैशन बोलते हैं पर वो उनके एक्शंस में दिखता नहीं है. Yeah? And the best indicator to check whether you are truly passionate of what you are talking about is through your priorities. And mostly the priorities can be checked or can be judged through our spending habits. Through our spending habits. I still remember it was second year of the mission. Nothing was going great. Okay, the growth was very slow. Funds were deteriorating. I had 3 failed startups before I started the idea of Booklet Guy. And and mangoes are my favorite fruits. But that summer, in the month of May, I decided I did not buy a single mango. So that because mangoes, are expensive, I can save that money to put it in the mission because I had to give everything for free. There was no expectation of revenue for next as per my plan. So I saved a lot of money and invested in Booklet again and again. But today, mission making India has become self-sufficient because of those small sacrifices. So if you are really passionate about it, it will become a top priority, and you'll start looking at वो तुमको सब जगह दिखेगा. You see, those who bought a car once in their life, suppose किसी को Honda City कार खरीदनी है, and they are doing some study on the internet कि कैसी कार है, asking friends. Suddenly, they start seeing the same color, same Honda City car everywhere. Yeah, you see what you want to see. If you truly have that burning desire to get it, you start looking, you start seeing the same thing everywhere. Yeah, yatha drishti tatha srishti.